what I'm trying to ask you, what is the connect that you're seeing is emerging in India between the patient and the doctors, which is so far not discussed?
So I think my good friend said that there is a mistrust between the two, and I think we need to get back the tradition of a family doctor being a part of the family, giving advice which is correct. So I think the only challenge which I see is a communication failure. I think if there is a good communication, and if the art of medicine is there, and I think each one of us practice art of medicine, whether independent of the pati we come from, if we can just touch the lives of our people and make a difference and make them smile, I think we'll make a big difference and impact on them. I think we are all here. We cannot do miracles. We are all studying our respective patis. We can definitely change their lives, ease their pain, and give them a smile. I think if we can just, all of us, pledge that let's give the smile back on our patient's face and the relative's face, we'll go a long way.
All right, with this, we bring to the concluding observations of this panel discussion on the patient-centric debate. Thank you very much. Please go ahead. Yeah. Quickly, yeah.
Yeah, very quickly. As far as the connect part is concerned, so with the example of Dr. Rajshekhar,
Dr. Chandrasekhar, yes.
Dr. Chandrasekhar, people are now sending the WhatsApp to us. So even in the night, even in early morning, we are getting the WhatsApp and we are replying for that. I think
I know you're a big advocate of WhatsApp, that I know.
I do that.
Yes, yeah. You give me the messages, I get it also.
Right
yeah.
away.
It's a very good medium.
No, it's not about the medium.
Then?
People using the medium. We doctors are so much connected to our patients that even in the midnight, if we get a WhatsApp of any patient, we reply right away, keeping our family aside. So the connect is much, much stronger than what it was 20 years back or 30 years back. So please, you media people have to promote it, that we doctors are now much, much more connected than the patients, their families, and the society.
Let me tell you, I'll have to be doubly sure before raising this discussion to the next level. Already I've got a warning from Dr. Shashank Joshi, I can't raise this kind of discussion at the public platform, but I have to raise this because this is an important discussion and we can't afford to neglect it. Thank you very much for having on the show. Thank you very much here now. With this, we'll move to the awards then here. Thank you. Yeah. Can you have on the stage, I think those who have not got this mementos, I'll present it. Can you have it on now? Please come this side, yeah, please. Yeah, please come. Yeah, you can come here. Yeah, please come this side, yeah. Okay, we'll quickly start for the award presentation ceremony. We'll just setting the house in order. Mansi is come. Mansi is not coming. And awards, and calling the chief guest of the program, as well as the anchor for this evening. Can you have the award AV, please? All lights off here.
tradition of recognizing those in the healthcare space whose work truly creates positive change. And this year's awards will highlight the magnificent delivery of work of the leaders who not only illustrates the summit's mission of healthcare empowerment, but also embodies the idea of the power of Indians. The farmer leaders has been tested and were thrown to the various stakeholders to vote before being crowned. We even stunned some big names when the unsung farmer leaders were crowned against the mighty of bigwigs. We believed in the spark of innovation year after year as we continued our quest for celebrating the ultimate farmer leaders experience since 1999. We were the earliest media house to recognize the talents and created farmer leaders platform that were imitated by many and became the trendsetters. We are happy today when we notice the rise of companies in healthcare to honor the achievers. In the early stage of our momentous journey, we recognized the veterans and legends who are now no more, but our spirit of leadership are still reverberating in the reception of companies. Late Dr. Parvinder Singh of Ranbaxy, who built India's first MNC. Dr. Anji Reddy of Dr. Reddy's Labs, Mr. Indravadan A. Modi of Cadila, Mr. Jagdish Saxena of Elder Pharmaceuticals, or the former Drug Controller General of India, DCGI. Dr. M. Venkateshwarlu are the few notable names. The current thespian legendary farmer leaders who are responsible for building the India image, like Dr. Yusuf K. Hamid of Cipla, Dr. Habil Khorkiwala of Vocard, Mr. Samprada Singh of Alchem Laboratories, Dr. D.B. Gupta of Lupin, or Mr. Suresh Kare of Indoco Remedies are in the list of farmer leaders winner library. Farmer Leaders Magazine, India's first opinion-based and research-driven bi-monthly magazine, has felicitated more than 500 companies and has created world-class platform in the form of summit where discussions are on burning issues. The historic Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit has been addressed by some of the crucial topics of great significance by the industry leaders, policymakers, academia, etc. The defining moments which farmer leaders attempt to focus year after year is to enhance the communication of the industry and the government. Farmer Leaders Business Leadership Awards has been presented to the top performers and shining stars of the Indian healthcare industry year after year. The aim is to encourage and motivate the farmer leaders to achieve greater success in coming days. These set of awards are determined by a credible award mechanism under the supervision of prominent juries. This is what great shows do: celebrate, recognize, and encourage us all To do better is the guiding spirit. Now, in its 7th year, Pharma Leaders Awards received entries from healthcare corporations, hospitals, medical professionals, research scientists, and other allied disciplines listed in the award categories. Let's look at the awards in the individual, non-voting categories. And the winners are...
Together, Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards is India's only dedicated celebration of excellence in healthcare innovation, pharmaceutical and medical excellence, and brand transformation. And as we all know, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, is also promoting Make in India. And he's actually looking towards building a healthier and a wonderful country out here. And our very own Mr. Satya Brahma is also working towards this, because we know that Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards and the ceremony of presentation have become an industry tradition. Pharma Leaders Power Brand Awards are the most prestigious annual leadership award. And it has been recognized annually that acknowledge and honor individuals and organizations for their remarkable accomplishment and a great display of leadership using healthcare innovation to deliver the best value in achieving specific goal and objective. And this says who? This says our very own Satya Brahma, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of Network 7 Media Group. These are fitting tribute to those individuals and companies that have gone the extra mile to advance the excellence in healthcare through best practices and leadership. Satya has added that Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards is the premier, largest business and technology leadership award program in the pharmaceutical industries. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, I'm gonna put this suspense to rest. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath, because now it's time to start announcing today the Pharma Leaders Award and Pharma Leader Business Shipal Award 2014. And may I request Mr. Ajit Singh, Chairman, ACG Worldwide, and Mr. Satya Brahma, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of Pharma Leaders, to kindly join me on the stage. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Satya. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, the suspense is about to end, and it's time to begin with the awards. And to begin with, the first award category is India's Most Admired Diabetologist 2014. And the award, and for the award, may I call for the AV, please?
India's Most Admired Diabetologist 2014. Professor Dr. V. Mohan, CMD and Chief Diabetologist, Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialities Center.
So may I request Professor Dr. V. Mohan, CMD and Chief Diabetologist, Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialities Center, to kindly join us on the stage. And may I request Mr. Satya and Mr. Ajit Singh to do the honors of giving away the award.